Hi, good day. So this is how you use this charger, okay, electronic load tester. So someone has been actually asking me of this, and I told him that I did a video before, but let me just do another video. Okay, so right now sometimes you may not see this. CC means constant current. Okay, this is a bit dusty. This CC means constant current. Okay, it means that no matter the voltage of the battery, the current must be the same. Let's say you set it to 3 amps now, whether the voltage goes down to 2 volts or whatever, depending on the battery you are testing, the current will always remain 3 amps. So that is how I like to set it. And how you do that, if you press and hold display, you see this CC is blinking. Assuming is not in CC, you can see this is constant resistance, constant power, constant voltage. But me, I use CC, constant current. So once you press it and it blinking, you can change using this button. Okay, I believe you understand. You can change using this button or this, but I leave it at CC, constant current. Then once you press it again, it comes to time discharge. Maybe you want this battery to discharge for like 2 hours and then stop. You set your time there. If you don't want, you leave it. For me, I don't do time discharge, so I just leave it. So I press, you can see the way it's changing. Then now this is the cutoff voltage. Okay, I want to discharge this cell now, 3.2 volts. The cutoff voltage is 2.5 volts. What do? You know, when you leave it for some time, it will go back. So once you come to constant cutoff voltage, you can set it. I really need to clean this thing. You can set it. This is 2.1. Okay, it's out of there. I bring it to 2.5 volts. Okay, then that's all. Once you press here, you see they say setup. Okay, once you press there, that is it. Then down here you can see it's written off. I didn't want to remove this. Off now. Okay, it's off now. If I should press here, which is start, it will start discharging, but you have not set the right constant current that we want. So what do? If you press here once, you can see that this will be changing. There is underlining something here, which means if you press it and it comes here, it means that this value is what you can change using plus this right or a left button. Okay, so let's go. We are now here. If I press anything here, this is 1, 2 amps. That I know there is 2 here. That is 2.2 amps. 3.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that is 10 amps. Okay, then once you press here, you can see it's changing. Maybe 20 amps, maybe 30 amps. It depends. But I'm not going to push this to 10 amps. Just use like 5 amps for it. Okay, so I'll click here again. You can see, then it's here now. I can now set it to okay, that is point something, but since I want it to be 5 amps, I'll now bring it here. You can see where I'm pressing. This is 5 amps. Okay, then I can now press on here. Once I press on, it will continue, it will start to discharge. But what I'm going to do now is, because you can see that we have some capacity here, there is a way you do the setting, but I don't like going through that way. Rather, I use the Bluetooth. I have the app. If you check here, you can see Bluetooth icon. Once I open the app, I will now connect to the app. Then I can clear all this data, all this cumulated capacity, 149 amp. I will clear everything. Then I can now start afresh, so that it will record the capacity of this new cell I want to discharge. Okay, so but just for the sake of it, you can see if you press and hold this down button, it will now give you the options, the menu, English or Chinese. This way they say clear cumulative data. How you scroll is you press this up one and it will keep. If you do this, then here is okay. I don't think this works well. So you can see the capacity is still there. So I don't like wasting time there. Okay, you can see I don't like wasting time there. Clear cumulative data. If you want to change the brightness, whatever, standby time, temperature correction. There is a default, you see overpower is a 185 watts. So anytime your power is the power that is discharging with is up to that 185, it will just say overload. So this is the first setting. You can see the capacity is still there, so I don't waste time here, but just for the sake of this video, let me press on this on so that it can start. Okay, you see it has started discharging, and you can see that the current remains at 5 volts. You can see it will go in between 4.9 4.5 volts thereabout. But since I don't want that, I'm going to stop this video, then I'll clear the capacity, and then I'll now do this thing. It will now record the fresh capacity for me. Thank you. If you love these videos I post for you almost every time, give me a thumbs up and also follow for more. Thank you very much.